What's going on, guys? We're headed out to Cleetusmcfarland's Aviation garage today. We're going to be tinting two Teslas over there. I believe we're doing a Model 3 and a Model S. They're both going to get XR Plus multi-layer ceramic film and the whole front windshield as well. We'll probably do the whole top again like we did last time on LS George's Model 3. We got all the film packed up, ready to go. I did that this morning before I picked up George in Orlando, and now we're headed out there and gonna get all the cars done.
What's up? You got the goods? Get ready to get started?
All right, guys, we made it out to Cleetus's Aviation garage. We're gonna tint the Tesla Model 3. So we're gonna do the whole top. We're gonna do it with 15%, and the sides, small quarters, are gonna be 15% as well. And then the full front windshield, we're gonna do it in 55% to block out all the heat coming in the front windshield. We got Maya and Barry over here helping us with the car. They're here from Knight's Window Tinting. They're in Clearwater. If you're out this way, hit them up, Knight's Window Tinting. Bikini tinter in the house.
I'm gonna prep this windshield to tint the inside. So we're gonna do 55, XR Plus. I got my DSP. I'm gonna use this on the front windshield, but I'm gonna clean it first. Whoa, cowgirl. Whoa, cowgirl. There she is. Barry, can I borrow your scrubby?
I don't have a scrub.
Because I lose all of his.
Actually, that's my scrub.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Everybody's using Barry's scrubby. Blue little scrubby. Wipe her down. Barry, what does DSP stand for?
Dry shrink prep.
Dry shrink prep. Don't use dryer sheets. That shit is toxic. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Shake up my bag. Shh, I'm recording. Yeah. I'm just kidding. This stuff dries up pretty quick. You don't need a lot of water. Is that?
Everyone quiet on the set.
Quiet on the motherfucking set. That's right.
Everyone quiet on the set. The tinter is talking.
See, they know. She's ready. Ta-da! That's easy. I'm gonna get the measurements for this windshield, cut it out, and I'm gonna lay it on top. 55 on that ass. XR Plus. This is this screen protector that goes in the inside that I put so when I lay my film, the screen is protected and it's not getting wet. There it is. Check that shit out. That's some Barry shit right there. Don't get no better than that, do it, Barry? All right, 56. I think it's 56. It's how it gotta be when you're mobile. You gotta rig shit. All right, I roll it first, pull it. The guys are over there heat shrinking. You gonna miss it? You gonna miss it? He's like, ah, they ain't doing shit. I make sure it's covered on both sides. All right, we ready. Just gotta find a heat gun. So we have to shrink it to the glass, otherwise once we put it inside, it won't stick. It won't lay down.
You want me to tell that story? I'll tell it. The first time we came out here with Maya, she didn't know who Cleetus was, and she called him. She was like, who is this? Cleveland?
I didn't know, but I thought that his name was Cleveland. It's close, right?
No.
No, not close.
Well, I'm sorry for the disrespect, people. I didn't know who he was, but now I know who he is. And I still feel the same way about him. I think he's cool.
Look at Barry over here with the flip-flops again. Got him on every time.
I stole him from prison.
Straight from Bob Barker.
Every Monday, Mitchie drifts.
The life of Mitchie. Follow us, like, subscribe, get notified. Like, subscribe, get notified.
Check us out on OnlyFans.
Only Mans. It's Only Mans. The dude version. All right, we're about halfway through this one. Maya's working on the windshield. Barry's working on the doors. Me and Barry already did the top glass. I'm gonna throw that in right now while they finish this up, and then this one will be done. Track for lunch. This is a weird position, not gonna lie. Show me your tints. All right, so we're gonna spray it off, and then we're gonna scrub it down, get it all clean. We'll go get the film on the outside, roll it up, and bring it in. Magic Mitch.
Yeah, Magic Mitch. We go to different places
We was at a
because
different
people
shop
know
yesterday.
us. You know what I'm saying?
Shop
You better
four.
tell him, Barry.
We all over.
We all over.
Coming to a
We
shop
mobile.
near you. Night's window tinting. Coming
Night's
to a shop
win-
near you.
Cheer.
Come head on down and get you
We
some.
come to you.
Head
Don't
right
you
on
worry
down
about it.
there.
Don't you change your schedule, sweetheart.
Head on down.
We come to you.
Head on down there. Maya be waiting at the door.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna peel this up halfway, spray it underneath, lay the liner back down, and then do the bottom half, and then we're gonna roll it all up and take it inside the car.
But that's okay, cause I'm still fly.
Are y'all
My
singing?
favorite part. Looking at my Gucci, it's about that time. I think that's what he says.
I was going this way.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna do it by myself. Barry don't like that he doesn't go first when putting in windshields. He like, oh, you're switching it up.
No, I just don't like switching it up. I like to do the same way.
Oh, you
every
like
time.
some consistency?
Yeah.
You ain't never told me that before. If we're gonna stay in this marriage, we need to tell each other those things.
We're not married. I can do better.
You can do better? All right, Barry, don't get cut. Hold up, hold up. Please and thank you.
What's up, man? How you doing? Filming some YouTube. All right, the Model 3 is done. We're on to the Model S now. We're gonna be doing the same thing. Double layer ceramic 15 on the back and the sides. Then we're gonna put 70 on the windshield instead of the 50 on this one. That way it'll give them a little bit more visibility to see out at night, but it'll still block all the heat that you want.
I can feel something inside of me. I really don't think I'm strong enough now.
Do you believe in life after love? After love, after love, after love? Feel things
I'm your backup dancer.
through. I know you're gonna put that in the video. Well, Maya, we just got our debut video. You're gonna forget about it. You'll be like, oh yeah, we did do that.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's done. Already recorded now. It's too late.
It's too late to turn back.
It's gonna be the bikini singer instead of bikini tenor.
Hey. I'm not quitting my day job.
You shouldn't. You left the keys in here. Keys are right here.
Where? You think we can tint that?
Yeah, we'll have to put some.
Look how flimsy it is.
We'll have to put some
Yeah, I know.
blister free on
He
first.
said, all right, guys, we're about halfway done with the Model S. Maya's working on the quarters, Barry's on the back doors. Everything else has been installed, ready to go. We're just waiting on them to finish up, and we'll be out of here.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother. Come on down and get you some. Do it for Dale. Do it for Daniel. Do it for DeMarcus. Do it for Mitchell. Come on down. All right, we're all done out here at Cleetus's. Model S all done. Maya and Barry helped us out from Knight's Window Tinting. Couldn't have got it done without them. I'll let them tell you guys how to get a hold of them if you're out this way.
So we're located in Clearwater. Our address is 3734 131st Avenue North in Clearwater. Our number is 813-509-1755. Come check us out. Our Instagram names are Bikini Tinner and Barry's is...
Bar Right Berry. It's actually the real bikini tinner.
You could do both. I have both accounts.
All right, we're gonna head over here and check out one of the Freedom Factory tractors and see if we can put some tint on this thing. The guys are getting hot in it, driving around the field, mowing the yard and all that. There's a lot of grass out here to mow, so they want to try to cool it down as much as possible. So let's go check it out. Yeah, that's the nightmare one. Do they come out? I think they come out. These side ones come out. So he wants to talk about tinting this thing. It's pretty crazy. You'd have to take this bars off. You have to take this handle off. The front windshield's in two pieces. That's pretty easy. This back glass here, where it curves around like that, pretty difficult. And then the back, you know, that's probably not that hard, but we can definitely do it. All right, that's pretty much all we wanted to show you for today. We did the Teslas, we checked out the tractor. Now it's time to get back to Daytona, hit the interstate, and get out of here. Let's go.